The Rockler Trim Router Table is designed to be highly versatile, easily attaching to a bench, table, or any flat surface, making it an ideal choice for various woodworking projects. This router table excels in handling small applications, such as routing roundovers, chamfers, and small dadoes, providing excellent control whether in the shop or on a job site. Compatibility is a strong suit of the Rockler Trim Router Table, as it fits a wide range of popular trim routers including Bosch Colt and DeWalt DW611, while also allowing for custom drilling to fit other models. Ease of use is paramount, with the table allowing quick setup and tool-free detachment of the router, which is complemented by an included acrylic base for freehand work. Included with the table are practical accessories like a high-visibility bit guard and adjustable fence, enhancing the overall functionality and safety during use. The Rockler Trim Router Table is a robust and portable solution for woodworkers, offering a combination of precision, flexibility, and convenience in one package.